Okay. Yeah, so today, so let us start understand. It is a continuation only. Pranav, Praveen, sorry. Praveen, it's a continuation. Okay, please continue. Each and every student have this drive access or not? Is this each and every student have this drive access or not? Yes. So what was the last class? What was the last class? Docker. We started Docker. Tell me what is a Docker? Tell me what is an exactly Docker? One second, let it be open our class notes. A Docker is a container. A Docker is a Docker is a container. It is a isolated area. Docker container is an isolated area for deploying our applications on various on very easily with low cost with high quality. So I'll repeat again. What is a Docker container? Docker container is an isolated area for deploying our applications very easily with low cost with high quality. Is nothing but what exactly Docker container. I have given example with understanding of example. So instead of we are using the same server, single server, my a Docker host machine on the same server, we can able to create different containers, Nginx, Jenkins, Maha login. Yeah, we can able to create our own Docker container, guys, please. Our own Docker containers, guys, please. So let us try to do it one more time for today. Please let us getting into the cloud. Please be getting into the cloud. Once again, let it be logged. Please wait, please wait. So let it be provide MFA code, multi-factor authentication, 154556. Okay. So please let it be use any existing Docker host machine. We have any existing Docker host machine? Yeah, these are all my existing Docker host machine, which I don't want it. Let it be create one more launch instance. Let it be create freshly for today. Let it be try to create freshly for today. Docker host, Docker host, 8 p.m. So please let us be try to create. Please be choose Ubuntu. Once if it is successfully choose Ubuntu machine. T2 micro, it has 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. My self Ohio key. My self Ohio key. So please use an existing PEM file. Let us click on edit network. Please use all traffic. And from anywhere else we are gonna be. And 8 GB of hard disk we are gonna be using, and click on launch instance. Once if it is click on launch instance, and we can able to, yeah, both are same one. It is a Red Hat Linux, it is Ubuntu Linux. Both are Linux machines, but it is a Red Hat flavor. It is a Ubuntu Debian flavor. The flavors are different. So once if it is successfully running, instance state is equal to running. So please be getting into this Docker host machine. Click on SSH, copy the SSH connection, where exactly the PEM file is located. Get back, paste your SSH connection, you will be landing into the cloud or Docker host machine. Say yes to content. Once if it is yes to continue, sudo -i app get update. apt get update. And we can able to create we can able to install a Docker host machine, please. A Docker host machine. How exactly we can, please? If you lose the PEM file, how can able to get it again? That is right now it is difficult, but we have alternative way, Praveen, we can, but I'll show you later. But let it be continued. Please be create new one as of right. So what is the first step as per the document? First, let us go for get.docker.com. 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 Once if it is get.docker.com. So please we use curl command. Let it be download. Once if it is download the shell file. Let it be install sh, please. Install hyphen docker.sh. So once if it is successfully installed, please be verify Docker version. Is it successfully installed Docker version or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Clear. Understood. Once if it is installed, whatever the commands, whatever the container we can create. So we can able to use Nginx container. Yeah. So the image will be downloaded. Nginx image will be downloaded. The container will be created. The same way, Nginx image will be downloaded. The container will be created. So my own image will be downloaded and it will be created. And once if it is successfully done it, once if it is successfully done it, please be verify how many images we have downloaded on top of it, how many containers we have created. So how many containers we created? Totally 3 containers. How many containers, guys, please? 3 containers. Container 1, container 2, container 3. Container 1, container 2, container 3. Totally how many containers, guys, please? 3 containers. Container 1, container 2, container 3. But can we able to access this container over internet? Yes, we have. we can access. Or copy the public IP, colon 8081. If it is trying to hit 8081, Nginx is, are we accessing Nginx or not? Tell me. If it is 8082, Jenkins will be accessing or not? Tell me. But if it is type 8083, Tomcat will be accessing or not? Tell me. So on a same Docker host machine means on a same on a same on a same on a same Docker host machine, can we able to create multiple containers or not? Tell me. Multiple containers or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Clear. But how exactly we can delete all of you? So let me share this link, whether you are accessing from your laptop or not. Please be confirmed. Okay, great. So, but how to delete? How to delete? Let me show you how to delete. First, let it be delete all containers first. Don't me write down this. I will teach you one by one. But please be Docker RM, my container to -f, Docker RM, my container to -rf, Docker R, my container 3 -f. Yeah, we have successfully deleted all my containers and let it be delete all my images also. So what is image? I'll discuss. Don't worry. One by one we'll discuss. So these are all images we have. Docker, RMI, Nginx image. Docker RMI, Jenkins image. Docker RMI, Maha login image. So we have successfully deleted all my containers. My forceful means, yeah, mans, yeah. But so what is the exactly agenda for today? So let us deep diving into slowly one by one. So today we start how to create a container. How to create a container and how to delete it. How to create a container. How to create a container and how to delete a container. How to create a container and how to delete a container. Let us understand, guys, please. Yeah. That is in exactly our agenda for today. So that means today let us start understanding what is Docker run command. That is only one thing. To understand it will take around 2 days. So what is an exactly Docker run command? To understand it will take around 2 classes. Then hyphen name. What is hyphen D? What is hyphen P? What is the image? Slowly we can understand one by one. So to complete this command, to understand this command itself, it will take around 3-4 classes, minimum 4 classes. Got it? Today we'll start. So how to create a container? First, we should come to know where these images are available in hub.docker.com website. In hub.docker.com website, please. In hub.docker.com website, so we have a default images. So if it is search Nginx, Nginx, search Nginx. And we can able to find image. Maybe search MySQL. MySQL image is available. Search Jenkins. Jenkins image is available. So these are all ready-made images are available. These are all ready-made images are available. And if you want related Tomcat images are available. Got it. So which all images you want, we can able to choose and we can able to download and it will be create a content. How exactly? So whenever execute docker run hyphen name my container one hyphen d nginx. For example, let's say I want to create a nginx container. Nginx container. It is a public repository. As of right now, Manas Rajan. So we are using it is a public. We can able to set private also. I will teach. As of right now. So whatever using hub.docker.com is a public repository. Anybody can access. But in organization level, where we are gonna be using private repository. Okay, whenever execute this command, automatically what will happen? Let's docker run hyphen name my container one hyphen d Nginx. Whenever you execute this command, this Nginx image will be downloaded on top of the container will be created. See, is that image is successfully downloaded or not? Once if it is successfully downloaded, once if it is successfully downloaded, once if it is downloaded, and top of it, we can able to create a container. See, docker run hyphen name my container one hyphen d Nginx. So first of all, let us verify, is there any containers are created? How exactly we can able to come to know? Docker ps. So by using this command, we can able to come to know any running state container we can able to display. Any running state container. Docker ps hyphen a means all containers. So let me try to execute these two commands, please. Docker ps, docker ps hyphen. See, docker ps, docker ps hyphen a. Docker ps, Docker ps hyphen a. So once if it is successfully created, but how exactly we can able to come to know which are all images you have downloaded? Which are all images are available? Docker images. See, look at here. Is that image successfully downloaded or not? Tell me. Is that image successfully downloaded or not? Tell me. Is that successfully downloaded or not? Tell me. Clear. Is it perfect, all of you? Is it wonderful? Clear. Sir, I want to delete a content. I want to delete a content. How exactly? Docker rm container name or container ID. How to delete our own images? Docker rmi image name or image ID or image ID. Clear? Yeah. Any questions, please, up to this point? Shall we try to do that? Yeah. So can we copy existing Docker and create duplicate containers? As of right now, no. No, as of right. Okay. So please let it be Docker RM. Okay, what is the container ID? So we have a name is container name one or not. It is an ID. Look at here. It is a container ID. It is an image ID from which image? It's a command. When it was created 4 minutes ago, it is a 4 minutes ago up and running. It is a created time. It is up and running time. And it is a my container one. My Docker, my my Docker rm remove my container one. Container one hyphen d hyphen f force. Once if it is successfully and execute, automatically the container is successfully deleted. So hyphen f is a force. We should be applied. Manas Rajan, sir, once if it is content is running with that image, can't we delete? No. With that image, we can't. Okay. After successfully deleting container, then only we can able to delete our images, Rajan. First, always we need to delete container, then only we can able to delete images. Is it clear, all of you? So today we have experienced how to create a container and how to delete a container. We are understood. Clear? Any questions up to this point before move next step? As of right now, after successfully cleaned, please be verified. Docker PS, Docker PS, Docker images, Docker PS, Docker images. Docker PS, Docker images. PS is nothing but what? That's it. It's a running state only. Okay, we can't expect. Okay, fine. So got it very clearly. So, but let it be repeat again one more time. What we have discussed, shall we repeat? Shall we repeat, please? Shall we repeat or not? Tell me. Shall I repeat one more time what we have discussed? Not required? Or shall we? I want to create a container. One more time. One more time. So for example, let's say I'm gonna be executing Docker run hyphen name my container one. Let it be execute this command once. Yeah, have you successfully created a container or Nginx container or not? Tell me. Yes. Process status. Yeah. So please verify is container one is successfully created by using which image? Nginx. Nginx. But can we able to create my container 2 with an existing image? Yes, why not? By using same image. By using the same image, you can also create a container space. Docker run hyphen name my container 2 hyphen d with an existing image. Docker run hyphen name my container 2 doc hyphen d with an existing image. Which image? My image. My image means what? Nginx image. Same image. Is it? Have you successfully created multiple containers with the same image? Please look at here. How many images we have here? One. But how many containers we have created? How many containers we have created? Two. Means what? By using single image, can we able to create multiple containers or not? Tell me. Yes or no? I didn't discuss Kalyan. What is a Docker image? Is an existing image. For example, let's say I want to format Windows 10. Like we need an image or not? Tell me Windows 10. With help of image 10, we can able to format n number of laptops. The image we have already existing image. What exactly you want? Download the particular image. We can open. We can create a container. That's it. So as of for today, we are focus is only for creating container. But image will discuss. We are deep diving into the image next portion, next time. First, focus on only create a container, deletion container for today. Okay, as per our schedule, we are in the first place. Then we should understand the whole command coming 4 days. So the image portion will be, that means what? First we should understand Docker run, then hyphen name, hyphen d, hyphen p, then image. I'll discuss. This is in this way we can. This is the flow we are gonna be executing. We are gonna be explaining. Yeah, got it? Definitely we will, but not right now. Okay. Shall we create one more container for our satisfaction? Docker run hyphen name my container 3 hyphen d Jenkins colon 1 at the rate of uh, uh, 2.60.3. Copy this. Sorry, man. Copy paste is wrong. Is my Jenkins is downloading or not? Tell me. First, Jenkins image downloaded from hub.docker.com. Once if it is download on top of the Jenkins image, the container will be created. So how many images, guys, please? 2. How many images, guys, please? 2. How many containers we created? 3. So we have a 2 images, but 3 containers. But question is, sir, I want to. Yeah, that's what, Praveen. That is what exactly we have discussed in the last session. We messed up. Please follow the last session. Please follow. Please revise to last session. You can understand. So, but how to delete? My question is, sir, I want to delete all containers at a time. I want to delete all containers at a time. How? How exactly? So what is the command for deletion, please, first of all? What is the command for deleting of container, please, anybody? Okay. rm-f. Okay, great. But the question is, here is, if you are execute docker ps, if you are execute docker ps, it is a complete information. Container ID, image, command, created, status, name. Container ID, which image, command, when it was created, when it, from what from which time it is starting, and what is the name. But I want this container IDs only. How can I? Docker ps hyphen a hyphen q. If we execute this command, we can able to see only container IDs. The same way, I want to display images IDs also. So please look at the screen. Docker ps hyphen a hyphen k. So is this images IDs on displaying or not? Look at here. Can we able to display only image IDs? If you can able to get this information, can we able to delete multiple containers at a time? Sir, what is the command for, guys, please? Which command we are gonna be using for deletion, guys, please? Docker rm. Am I right? So which is the command for images? Docker rmi. Docker rmi. But question is, sir, which is going to be first? Deleting container first, deleting image first? First, always delete images, then only we can able delete it. Always delete a container, then only image. Please reiterate it. always delete a container first, then image only. But how exactly we can delete all my containers at a time? Just to be past this command. All my image container IDs, I need to pass here. All my images hyphen F is not required. So all my images, all my containers are gone or not? Tell me. All my images also gone. So there is no, at a time we can delete. At a time we can delete multiple images. At a time we can delete multiple containers also. Clear? Up to this point, some clear. So today what we understand? Create a container, delete a container. That's it. Create a container, delete a container. Got it very clearly, all of you. Any questions? So tomorrow session, it's very important. So what is Docker architecture? What is Docker lifecycle? What is a Docker architecture? What is a Docker lifecycle? We will be discuss tomorrow, Praveen. Tomorrow. Okay. But the question is, please wait. So please. So every day, who are all accessing drive access? So in the drive access, tomorrow onwards, please be open student information file. Whatever the link here, please be joined. This link is expiring. I will be changed by tonight and I will update by tomorrow morning. Okay. I'll create a new one. I'll update it here, new one, please. So if you not anything, please, if anything query, please call this number 9297 9297 Please call this number. Please call this number. Got it? So Monal, I think so you are accessing drive access. Please try to open this. Whether you're accessing this drive access or not, tell me. Monal. I think I sent already, check it once your spam, some promotions and all the mails. Check it once, then I can leave. All of you, please. If not receive, please let me know, I'll help you. But so if you close this session, if you can't be accessed tomorrow, you can't able to join. Because of who are all the students can access this drive access, those people only can able to join. Given access. Yeah. Thank you. Good night, all of you. Will be continued by tomorrow. Who are all not done registrations and payments, please do the payment. Who are all not done the payment, you can't be able to access drive access, please. It will automatically remove. Thank you.